In this video, I will show you how to send or transfer your money from Wise to a bank account. You need to log into your Wise account. Then click on the Send button. If you are sending to a new person, you will need their full name, bank details, including SWIFT code or IBAN plus bank account number. If you don't know the bank's details, you can search on Google the bank's name plus SWIFT code or IBAN number. Type in their email, full name, bank SWIFT code, or IBAN and their account number. Once completed, you will be taken to the next page where you will choose what currency you want to use and the amount of money you want to send. The top option is the currency you will be using, while the bottom option is the currency you will convert to. Once you are done inputting the amount to transfer, click Continue. Wise will take a small percentage for performing the transfer. Wise will then ask you the reason for the transfer. Pick the option that best suits your situation. After that, review the details and make sure the numbers are correct. Once you confirm, the process will start. Try to send money on weekdays as it will be faster and banks are open. Thanks for watching.